An Akeeba backup is not a regular zip file. So if you want to extract just a single file or group of files from a backup, you need a special piece of software to do that. There are two different methods that you can use. The first option is to use the Akeeba Backup Extract Wizard. It's available free of charge at the Akeeba Backup website in the download section. If we scroll down to the end, we can find the link. There are different versions for each operating system, as this is a program that runs on your computer. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download this version. If you are using OS X or Linux, you would download the appropriate version for you. Once you've downloaded the file, go to the location on your computer where you have saved it. Double-click and install as you would do any program for your computer. Once installed, open the Akeeba Extract Wizard. The first thing to do is to select the actual archive file. Browse to the folder where you have saved the backup file. As you can see, the Extract Wizard by default uses the exact same folder that the backup file is located in with the name of the backup, and for most people that's fine. The Extract Wizard is now going through the archive, extracting all the files and writing them to your computer. Once the archive has been extracted, you can press OK and quit the extraction program. We can now navigate through those files and folders to find the files that we wish to recover. The second option is useful if you have a local web server installed on your computer. Create a new folder in the htdocs of your local web server and copy the Akeeba Backup archive into it. Now you need the Kickstart program. Kickstart is a standalone program. Click Download to download the file to your computer. Here we can see that the Kickstart program is a zip file and we need to extract that. We can see we now have a new folder with all the Kickstart files in. The only one you actually need is the kickstart.php file, and we should copy that to the same folder that we put our backup file. Now, if we go to our local development server in our web browser and navigate to the folder we just created and then the kickstart.php file. As always, we can close this message, confirm it's found the exact archive we're looking for, and click Start. The Kickstart program is now extracting all the files in that backup, which is exactly what we want. Now we don't need to restore the website, we only wanted to extract it. So now that that's done, we can quit our browser and go to our file manager. And now, if we navigate into that folder where we'd put our backup on our local web server, we can see that the entire backup has now been extracted and we can navigate through it to find the files that we need.